Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I will be sharing with you how to prepare this delicious jollof rice. If you want to know how I achieve it, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, to begin, all I have to do is start boiling my cow meat, and as you can see, I'm just adding in all the spices I need to add, like thyme. I added thyme, Maggie seasoning, onions and aroma spice. Yeah, so you can use any meat of your choice. All we just need is the stock water. Yes guys, so I added some bay leaves inside. Next is to add in some water and start boiling it. Guys, I added plenty of water because I needed the stock water for the jollof rice. And if you watch very well, you will see that the meat is blocked. I remove it from the freezer. So the next one is to blend my tomatoes, ginger and garlic with fresh onions and some paprika, my red paprika. I will also add all the ingredients in the description box of this video. If you want to know all the things I use for the jollof rice, you can check the description box of this video. Yes guys, so continue watching. For the tomato, I'm using fresh tinned tomatoes. Yeah guys, this tomato is the same like fresh tomatoes, like the difference is just that it's stuck in the tin. Yeah, so keep watching. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in my blender. So right now guys, I'm done blending the fresh tomato. All I'll just have to do is to transfer it in another pot and start boiling it, as you can see. And at the same time, my meat is on the fire boiling, so we are going to check it. So right now, as you can see, the meat is still blocked, not yet done, so we are going to cover it and leave it to cook. So guys, for the sake of the video, I'm just trying to make sure that the blocked ones are pieces. Like I'm just trying to pieces anything that is blocked inside. Yes guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, right now we are going to check our tomatoes. As you can see, the tomato is still boiling, and at the same time we are going to check the meat. Right now the meat is ready. Let me just shift my camera so that you can see the meat very well. Yeah, next I'm going to transfer this meat in a bowl, and at the same time I'm going to wash the rice. For the rice, I'm using basmati. You can also use any rice of your choice. Yeah, and after washing the rice, the next is to add a pot on the fire and add in any cooking oil of your choice. Before then, I added some butter inside. After that, I add in a little amount of thyme and give it a good stir. Then I added a little Maggie seasoning just to season the oil. But before then, I will add in my onions, Yeah, and give it a good stir. So now I'm just gonna add in a little amount of Maggie seasoning just to season the oil. Yeah, and I'm going to fry the onions for like 3 to 5 minutes, but I think I ended up frying it for 3 minutes. Yes guys, just when you see that a little bit of golden brown, yeah, that is when you can now add in your tomatoes. Make sure you always give it a good stir to avoid the pot from getting burnt. Yes guys, so right now I'm gonna add in my tomato paste. The tomato paste is just the same like tin tomato in Africa. For those of you that live in Africa, you can also use tin tomatoes. Next, I will go ahead and give it a good stir. Then I'm going to fry this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add in my boiled tomatoes. Yes guys, and please do not forget to add in your pepper, because I forgot to show in when I was adding my own pepper. So take note guys, that is why I said I'm going to add in all the things I use in the description box. If you want to know the recipe, check my description box of this video. Yeah. At this moment, I'm going to add in some curry powder. After giving it a good stir, I'm going to go ahead and add in the boiled tomatoes. At this moment, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken glory. You can also use any seasonings of your choice. Just go ahead and add any seasonings you want to add. Yeah. Right now, I'm gonna let it to fry for 3 minutes. After then, I will start adding in my rice. Guys, make sure you keep stirring the sauce. If not, it will get burnt. Your pot will just get burnt. So take note of that. So right now I'm going to go ahead and add the stock water from the meat we just boiled. After giving it a good stir, I'm going to add in my bay leaves. But before I forget, if you know you are not using basmati rice for jollof rice, you must be careful with your water, because some rice can be very sticky. Yeah, so but for me, I added a lot of water because I know that this rice doesn't disappoint. No matter the amount of water you add in to cook the rice, the outcome will still look good. So if you are using any other rice, which I don't know, you have to add in some butter. I think butter will help it to not to get sticky. So right now guys, the rice is almost getting done, and you can see there is still little water inside. I'm just making sure that the water goes down, and after that I will cover it and leave it for some minutes to dry up. So keep watching. So before I forget, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. You are welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it to your friend. Feel free to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Yeah, and to my OG returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much for always watching my video. I really appreciate you guys from the deep bottom of my heart. I don't take any one of you for granted. Trust me guys. Yeah, so Please, before I forget, there will be an end stream that will pop out at the end part of this video. Please check out my other videos if you are new to this channel. Subscribe to my channel, it will go a long way. Yes guys, and don't forget to like my video. That will make me so happy. So guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye, ciao.
Yo.